This video is about the cloud, possibly one of the most misunderstood parts of our technology world. What is the cloud? The cloud is more than just a floating thing that we see in the sky. If used right, the cloud can be very helpful. Many people have several devices and want to have the same information on each device, or we want to access files and information from different devices in different locations. We need the cloud so we can store data there in order to have it in a central location for access. But what happens if the cloud blows away or disappears? Let's actually define what the cloud is so we don't have to worry about such things happening. To make it easier, don't think of the word cloud in relation to your data, but think of the word server. A server is a computer or several computers that store information that can be accessed through various users or devices in different locations. That's what cloud services actually are. Companies offering cloud services provide server space for content that is accessible from your many devices. When we put information into our devices that are set up to work with cloud services, we are actually sending the data to our section of a server. The amount of space that we have in our cloud or server depends on what subscription plan we have purchased, or if we are using the free space that most companies offer. Oftentimes, we don't even know where the servers are stored. Perhaps that is why there is so much mystery surrounding the cloud. It is important to note that our information reaches the server through the internet. When we are connected to the internet, our data is uploaded to servers several miles away. Our data is then stored on the server, and that becomes the main copy. Our devices use the internet to check in with the server when they are turned on to see if there is any new information that was added by any other device. The data is then downloaded from the server to the device that is missing the information. If information is not syncing between all of the devices, it may be because we are not connected to the internet. To understand the cloud, make sure to remember that cloud services are actually selling you space to their server to store your information on. It is also a service that allows your devices to check in with that server to sync the information on all of your devices. All of this is done by accessing the server through the internet, which stores the main copy of our data on that central location, allowing all of our devices to be synced. I hope this demystifies the cloud. There are links listed below if you are interested in subscribing to a cloud service so you can sync your devices or access information in various locations. Thank you for listening to this segment about the cloud by the Tech Life Coach. Remember to utilize the technology around you, back up your data, and put down your devices often to interact with the humans in your life.